In this tutorial, I'll show you how to format cells and text in Smartsheet to make your sheets easier to read, organize, and manage. Start by selecting the cell or range of cells you want to format. Once selected, use the toolbar at the top of the sheet to access formatting options. To highlight important information, click the Fill Color button and choose a background color for your cells. This is useful for marking deadlines, priorities, or key project updates. You can also change the text color by selecting the cells and clicking the font color option. Different colors can help distinguish completed tasks, urgent items, or different categories of information. If you'd like to change the appearance of your text, use the font menu to select a different font style. Adjust the font size, or apply bold, italic, or underline formatting. To format multiple cells at once, simply click and drag to select a range of cells before applying your changes. This can save a lot of time when working with larger sheets. For more advanced formatting, try using conditional formatting. This feature automatically changes the appearance of cells based on rules you create, such as highlighting overdue tasks or completed items. You can also add hyperlinks, insert images, and link data from other sheets to make your workspace even more interactive and informative. That's how to format cells and text in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.